making vegan chili and cornbread muffins for my dad for his birthday because he loves this dinner so much. First, we're going to add 500 milliliters each of pinto beans and red chili beans to a boil for 1 hour. Rest for 1 hour, then add 7 milliliters of coarse sea salt and bring to a boil again. Reduce heat and simmer for 1 hour. We've cooled and drained the beans. When that's all done, grease the slow cooker with a bit of oil. Place beans, 1 liter of diced tomatoes, 1 650 milliliter jar of tomato sauce, 1 large chopped yellow onion, and 1 green bell pepper, 500 milliliters of frozen whole kernel corn, 4 medium carrots sliced, 5 milliliters of salt, 15 milliliters of amarillo chili powder, 5 milliliters of ground cumin, and 1 milliliter cayenne pepper in the slow cooker. And stir to combine. Cook on low for 3 to 4 hours, but if you're running late on time, like I am, cook it on high for 1.5 to 2 hours. Once that is done, we can do the muffins. Preheat the oven to 400 Fahrenheit. In one small bowl, combine 30 milliliters of flax or chia seeds with 90 milliliters of water and let it sit for 10 minutes. I use chia here. In a medium bowl, combine 375 milliliters of cornmeal and 625 milliliters of oat milk and let sit for 5 minutes. Grease a muffin pan with a bit of vegan butter. I use Basil for everything. In a large bowl, whisk together 500 milliliters of flour, 15 milliliters of baking powder, and mix together 5 milliliters of salt and 167 milliliters of sugar. Mix in cornmeal mixture, chia seed mixture, and then 125 milliliters of vegetable or half a cup. And now mix. You never want to overmix when you've combined wet and dry. Pour batter into the prepared pan, maybe 1/3 cup in each. That's actually really good.
Are you eating raw batter?
Heck yeah. That's so good.
You weirdo.
Bake in the preheated oven for 15 minutes until a knife inserted into the center of the muffins comes out clean. And oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that's so good.